In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake in a steamer. So first you're going to need to grease and line a 6-inch round pan. Then to your flour, you're going to add in the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then you're going to mix all of it together. Then to your water, you're going to add in the instant coffee powder and mix it in. In another bowl, you're going to take your sugar, add in the coffee water, buttermilk, and I have a recipe for the substitute of this on my channel. Also add in your yogurt, add in the oil, and vanilla extract. And then you're going to mix it all together. Then to this you're going to add in your dry ingredients. And mix them in just till they have incorporated in the batter and you do not see any flour. Make sure not to overmix this. Once the flour has dissolved in, your batter is ready. And then you're going to pour it in your pan. And then you're going to turn on your flame on medium. And you're going to place a steamer or idli maker on the stove with some water in it. Then cover your cake pan with some foil. And once the water comes to a boil, you're going to place in your cake pan. Place on the lid and let it steam for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to switch off the flame. Be careful when you remove the pan. And then you're going to uncover the cake and let it cool. And a skewer inserted in the center should come out clean. While it's cooling, you can make your chocolate ganache, so you're going to add some fresh cream to a vessel. Switch on the flame. And stir it and let it come to a light simmer. Once you see bubbles appearing at the side, you know that the cream is ready. You're going to switch off the flame and add in your chocolate. Then you're going to dip the chocolate in the fresh cream using a spoon. And let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can go ahead and stir it and your ganache is going to come together. If your ganache is too thick, you can also add in some more fresh cream. Once your cake has cooled, you can remove it from the pan. So run a knife at the sides. And then you can flip it onto a plate. I like to place it on a plate which is flipped upside down so that I can easily cut the cake. And now you're going to divide the cake into 2 layers. This step is optional, but I really like to have some chocolate ganache in the middle of the cake. Then you're going to pour half of the ganache onto the cake and then smooth it out evenly using a spoon. Then place the second layer on the top. And then you're going to pour on the remaining ganache. And I just spread it on the top of the cake and did not let it drizzle on the sides. And the cake is ready. You can serve it right away or you can refrigerate it and serve it chilled. And this cake is extremely moist, as you can see in the video. This is my absolute favorite go-to chocolate cake recipe, and it is definitely a must-try. I hope you like this recipe and make sure to try this out because you do not need an oven to bake this cake. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!